Mogok, the ruby land of Myanmar, is now in the hand of Tayang National Liberation Army (TNLA) and its alliances. Mogok has been in the hand of Myanmar military junta for a long time, and the permit to produce the gemstone is controlled by military junta. Now, National Unity Government of Myanmar (NUG), which is so-called the Government of Myanmar but its tasks are not more than NGO, is trying to control the ruby land by a very smart way, as they announced their intention with BBC in January 2023. What NUG is doing is that it did not aim to write the federal constitution, which is accepted by all Eros, did not effectively lead the revolution, did not contribute in fighting against military junta, but whenever the ethnic national forces are winning, they used to approach the ERO leaders by paying the money which were raised through people's donations, and they tried to get the authority for their own benefits. NUG is doing the illegal businesses such as money laundering, cryptocurrencies, illegal selling of the lands and real estates controlled by military junta. Now they approached TNLA leaders to get the control over gemstone business. Tin Tun Naying, who is Minister of Finance of NUG, said in BBC interview on the 15th of January 2023 that NUG will do the granting mining permits for the ruby lands. After TNLA occupied Mogok, according to some sources, it is known that NUG has negotiated with TNLA for facilitating the mining permits for the land controlled by TNLA, and they have got the promise. But verification will be needed. EI Pensilo, who is criticised for misusing people donations in millions, and Taser San, who initiated the revolution in which many people died, have already approached TNLA for NUG. The international should know that any business arranged through NUG are illegal, and TNLA should know that the lands and natural resources in your territory should be controlled and arranged by yourself in the businesses for the maximum benefit of your people. But by working with NUG, it will lead to divisions, problems, and the winners will be military junta and its unofficial partner NUG. Because the people did not welcome NUG, they did not scarify their lives to reinstall National League for Democracy government. The People Defence Forces did not fight for the benefit of NUG but for the freedom of the people in Myanmar, including ethnic national people living in the liberated area. By working with NUG for the benefit of NUG, which image has already been in bad shape, will draw down the reputation of TNLA to the bottom like them. So the leadership of TNLA should be aware of it.